Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and in today's video we are going to give away this Haki Clash system. So this system right here consists of the default Haki and of the Clash system, and this Clash system only works for for certain circumstances, so you'll be receiving some more information on that in tomorrow's tutorial. But just know that you can also use this for default Haki, but there is this Clash system integrated to it. And yeah, so the tutorial will come up tomorrow. Till then, like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, comment something, and enjoy, guys.